If you're looking for some tips to help you navigate on the mountain on a foggy day, then this video is for you. My name is Emily. I'm a ski instructor in Les Contamines in the French Alps, and let's dive in. If you've ever skied on a foggy day, then you know how challenging this can be and how easily it is to lose your bearings, even in a ski resort that you may know super well or on slopes that you're familiar with. So, first things first, obviously, let's talk about the equipment. Having the right lenses in your goggles can help a lot. Having clear lenses helps you see the terrain a little bit better. I also encourage you to keep a piste map in your pocket. You never know when this might come in handy. Next, you want to look out for these signs that you have on the side of the slope, whose color tell you the difficulty of the slope that you are skiing. But you also have the name of the slope at the top. So if you're lost, check out the piste map that gives you an idea where you are on the mountain, and the number. Looking at the numbers give you an idea of how far down the slope you are, since these numbers are descending. They get lower as you get closer to the bottom of the slope. So if you're next to number 2, then you know that you're pretty close or almost at the bottom of the slope. If you are next to the sign number 26, then that tells you that you've still got a bit of skiing to do before you reach the bottom. On a foggy day, sometimes it's even hard to tell what is piste and what is off piste. This is when you should look out for these poles with the orange bit at the top. These poles are all the way down the slope on the left and the right hand side, but those on the right hand side have the orange bit. Those on the left are just plain blue, top to bottom, if you're skiing down a blue run. So on a foggy day, find one with an orange bit at the top and just follow it all the way down, staying to the left of it. That way, you know that you are set. Something else that helps a lot on a foggy day is to pick the right terrain. That is, picking slopes that are surrounded by trees. And you'll notice that the visibility is so much better when you're skiing in the trees as opposed to slopes that are in a wide open area. If you're skiing with some friends, something that helps a lot is also just to follow someone, because you get a lot of information just by watching them. It tells you if it goes up, down, sideways. So again, if you're skiing with someone, try actually following them and not just randomly doing your own track side to side. And finally, when it comes to technique, something quite important is to try to be in a flex position. Again, when it's scary, when it's foggy, when we get uncomfortable, we tend to kind of tense up. Our legs tend to go a bit straight and arms come in. This is a moment when you need to help yourself with your balance. So wide stance, arms out, and knees flexed in order to absorb any bump or terrain that you may not be able to anticipate. I hope this helps. However, I always encourage you to hire a ski instructor for better progress and more safety, since this will help you navigate with more comfort in difficult conditions such as foggy days.